all are doing well and you are staying safe. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a newly launched product by Dot & Key, and it is her Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer, which she has recently come up with, and she's kind enough to send this product as PR, and I have tried it for over 2 weeks and I have gained a lot of thoughts about this particular product, which I'm going to share in this video. And this is my first Dot & Key product, guys, that I have tried. So I have used it religiously and I'm going to talk about everything about this. At the same time, I'm going to show you the application of this stuff on my skin so that it will be easier for you to know how this product actually works. So I hope you're gonna definitely love this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on that small little notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get updates every time I upload a new video. So without any more blabbering, let's get started. So this is the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer. It comes in this kind of outer cardboard box like this, so quirky looking, and when you open it, this is how the actual moisturizer looks like. Super cute packaging, looks so adorable. It is having this kind of yellow cap and this is a complete glass tub. Very sturdy, but you have to be careful because it's made up of glass. And when you open it, it also comes with this sifter, which is actually protecting your moisturizer, and this is how the moisturizer looks like. This is priced at rupees 595 for 60 ml of product. The price point is quite reasonable because you are getting 60 ml of product. In most of this kind of tub packaging moisturizers, you get around 50 ml of product, but in this you're getting 60 ml. You can get it at a much discounted price during sale time. Just keep an eye on that. These are available on the official website of Dot & Key. I'm going to link it in the description box, and also on Nykaa, as I have seen. So it's very easily available. You can definitely get it. The packaging looks super cute, guys, and you're going to definitely love it. So coming to the product, this is a super bright moisturizer, as the name suggests, and the brand claims it to be a super lightweight moisturizer which is going to make your skin look super energized and youthful over 2 weeks of its usage. If you use it religiously for 2 weeks, you're going to see how it's actually making your skin look bright and youthful, glowy, because this is a concoction of skin vitamins, antioxidants and citrus extract. Along with all of these stuff, it is packed with a bunch of natural ingredients and actives, which I'm going to talk elaborately about soon. So all of these ingredients actually are meant for making your skin look bright, youthful and glowy. So if you are suffering from pigmentation, dullness, uneven skin tone, this product is for you. The ingredient list is amazing, guys. I'm going to talk about soon, but before that, I like to talk about the consistency of the product and the formulation. As the brand claims that this is a light moisturizer, yes, I do agree with the fact that this is a really super light moisturizer because it's a complete water-based, gel-based moisturizer. The consistency is amazing, having beautiful gel texture, going to absorb into your skin, at the same time going to make your skin really moisturized and hydrated from within, because this is not like that super greasy, oily moisturizer. The moment you apply it on your skin kind of drinks it up, but the result it provides is that it's going to add that hydration and moisturization to the skin with a lot of glow, guys, which you are definitely going to notice. So I love the consistency of this. It's having the beautiful formulation. The texture is amazing, the perfect consistency that we like on our oily combination skin type. But I would say if you have any type of skin, you can use it because the formulation is really good. It's going to add that hydration to your skin. On my combination skin, it performs beautifully, and I love the smell of this, guys. It is having such a divine smell. It smells like orange vanilla sorbet, if I'm not wrong, but it actually smells like that. It's having complete oranges scent in it, but not that typical overpowering vitamin C / oranges scent. It's not like that. It's having a beautiful orange fragrance, guys, with a tinge of vanilla, which I absolutely love. If you are sensitive to smell, you can skip it, but I do have sensitive combination skin and I do get clog pores so fast. This product didn't irritate me. It performed really well on my combination skin. So coming to the ingredients of this particular product, guys, I love the ingredient list of this product. When you are going to see the box, you will find the entire ingredient list over here, so you can definitely go through this. I'm going to put a close-up of the ingredient list as well. It is packed with natural ingredients along with some amazing actives which my skin loves. So at first, coming to the actives that this product contains, it contains 2 different forms of vitamin C, ascorbic acid and ethyl ascorbic acid, which are actually going to make your skin look even out and brighter, because vitamin C has got antioxidant properties. It helps in boosting collagen into your skin As a result, makes your skin look youthful. It helps in removing fine lines and wrinkles. That's also another reason of making your skin look youthful and glowy and smooth. It helps in tightening your skin. Vitamin C also helps in neutralizing free radicals, so it's going to protect your skin as well. So vitamin C has got bunch of benefits, guys. Along with ascorbic acid, it contains lactic acid, one of my favorite exfoliating ingredient when it comes to the surface of the skin, because lactic acid is a form of AHA or alpha hydroxy acid which performs on the outer surface of your skin to gently exfoliate the outer surface. For that reason, you'll be getting rid of your pigmentation, spots, and even skin tone, acne marks or spots that you have. So this product is also going to help in the skin gentle exfoliation. So along with vitamin C and lactic acid, this product also contains a vitamin E which maximizes the power to neutralize free radicals. It also has got niacinamide which works supporting only. At the same time, it also contains panthenol, one of my favorite ingredients, because panthenol helps in soothing and calming down your skin. At the same time, panthenol also provides a deep moisturization to the skin. So these are basically all the actives which are there in this product. Coming to the natural ingredients which this juicy moisturizer has, it contains kakadu plum and blood orange. Both are natural sources of vitamin C, have got a really high vitamin C content which helps in rejuvenating your skin, helps in brightening your skin, adding that really nice glow and smooth youthful skin. So kakadu plum and blood orange works naturally on the skin. It also contains wheat germ oil which helps in adding that nourishment and healthy glow to the skin. It also contains rosehip oil, one of my favorite oils to use on my combination acne prone skin, because rosehip oil has the ability to fade acne marks or scars that you have. So if you are suffering from pigmentation, spots that you have on your skin, rosehip oil definitely going to work on that and will help in fading those. So I've gone through the entire ingredient list, guys. I have found that it also contains xylitol which has the ability to boost the level of hyaluronic acid of your skin. As a result, it just absorbs moisture and makes your skin really healthy and moisturized and hydrated, because it works as a humectant. Along with that, it contains a dimethicone, which is the popularly used silicone primer which you get in most moisturizer, guys, which is having non-comedogenic properties, so it's not going to clog your pores. So the ingredient list is really good. I have seen that it has got really nice products which are actually meant for adding that brightness to your skin. It's going to remove the dullness of your skin. It's definitely going to work on your skin and make it look really brighter and radiant. Actually use this particular product. It's a vitamin C product which can be used on an everyday basis. I preferably like to use it both in my morning skincare routine and also in my nighttime skincare routine. I like to cleanse my face using a gentle cleanser, pat my skin dry, and then I apply my serum, preferably my hyaluronic acid serum or my vitamin C serum. This product pairs up really well when you use Dot & Key vitamin serum. Along with that, apply your layer of serum, allow the serum to seep into your skin, wait for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then apply a layer of moisturizer on your skin. Massage it really well on your skin, on your face, on your neck in upward motion. Let the product seep into your skin, and then you can top it off with your facial oil for your nighttime skincare routine, or with your sunscreen during your daytime. In your morning skincare routine, guys, this product can be used by anyone out there. In this way, I basically use it. It's a vitamin C product which can be used on an everyday basis, but make sure that you always use sunscreen whenever you are using vitamin C product in your daytime skincare routine, because that's a must. Always use sunscreen, guys, because that's going to change your skin. As I have mentioned, this product is suitable for all skin types out there. I do have combination skin. My T-zone is really oily. My cheeks are super dry. Works beautifully on my skin. If you have normal skin type, oily skin type, you can definitely use it. And if you have very dry, dull skin, you're going to love this product, because it actually is meant for making your skin look brighter and radiant, and it's actually going to target the dullness of your skin. So after using it for 2 weeks, I have seen that it has definitely helped in adding that beautiful glow to my skin, guys. I do have a bunch of acne marks on my skin which are gradually fading, which needs time to fade. You have to be consistent with your skincare routine. Whatever you are eating, whatever you are drinking, your workout routine, everything should work But along with that, I have seen that it has definitely helped in making my skin look glowy. It also helped in making my skin look brighter. I'm really hoping to get really good results out of this, because I know it's definitely going to work on the pigmentation and spots that I have on my skin. And the consistency, as I have mentioned, is actually my kind of moisturizer, the moisturizer which I prefer to use on my skin. So on my acne prone combination skin, it has worked really well. It didn't irritate my skin, it didn't give me any kind of breakouts, and I'm really enjoying this product, guys. And since the festive season is right in the corner, and you want product that will make your skin look brighter, radiant, and will add that extra glow to your skin, and if you want to prep your skin, this is a really good product, guys. This is my first time using a Dot & Key product, and I'm really impressed with their formulation, with their ingredient list and everything, guys. This is my honest opinion which I have shared, and I really like it, guys. You can definitely give this one a shot. So that's all, guys. This is my take on the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer, which I have tried and tested out, and I really like it. I'm going to put the link of this product in the description box. If you want, you can definitely check that out. This is a very good moisturizer. If you're searching for a perfect moisturizer that will be working on every type of skin, is having really good ingredient, and it's definitely going to work in this hot humid climate that we Indians experience, this is a product for you, guys. You can definitely try this one out. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. We'll see you soon in my next video with some amazing contents. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.